Guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about the best method for learning English, that is delayed shadowing technique. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. I will show you the example. What is delayed shadowing technique? We always heard about the shadowing technique, that is we just speak after the speaker. We just speak with the speaker. जब हम स्पीकर के साथ में बोलते हैं, जैसे कि हम कोई सॉन्ग सुन रहे हैं, whenever we are listening to the songs, we are just repeating that song with that speaker. So that is called shadowing technique, and that is also very helpful for when it comes to spoken English. When we are talking about the spoken English, that is also helpful. That is also very, very good technique. I will highly recommend that you have to use this technique in your daily life for learning this language. But apart from this, I am going to tell you for beginners who just want to learn this language, who just started learning this language, who just want to be fluent in English language, I am going to talk about the delayed shadowing technique. What is this? This is delayed shadowing technique. See.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you will be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. So, this is delayed shadowing technique, where we just speak after the speaker. After the speaker is done on one sentence or one paragraph, we just speak after that speaker. After he or she is done, we just speak after him. So that is why I'm saying you just have to use this technique if you are a beginner. So guys, why am I saying to use this technique for beginners? Because beginners cannot speak immediately after the speaker. Beginners cannot speak with the speaker. They cannot understand every verse and sentences. That's why I'm saying that just use delayed shadowing technique. That is where you will find the subtitles with the lyrics or with the dialogues. You have to read that dialogue, and after speaker is done, you have to speak. And believe me guys, that is how I learned this language. I really enjoy when I just have to use this technique. I really enjoy, and this is really enjoyable. That is why I'm just advising you to use this technique in your daily life. Just आप कोई भी song सुन रहे हो, कोई भी movie देख रहे हो, web series देख रहे हो, या स्पीच सुन रहे हो, या ब्लॉग वॉच कर रहे हो, आपको स्पीकर के बाद बोलना है. जैसे कि मैंने once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you will be lonely. इसका मतलब होता है कि जब मैं 7 साल का था ना, तब मेरी मम्मी ने कहा कि जाओ और कुछ दोस्त बनाओ, नहीं तो तुम अकेले रह जाओगे. जब मैं 7 साल का था, इसका मतलब ये है. और मैंने इसको स्पीकर के बाद बोला, एंड कितना अच्छा लिरिक्स है. इससे हम इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं बहुत ही आसानी से, एंड वी आर being familiarized with the new kinds of sentences, structures, and new kinds of vocabularies, and so many phrases and words. That is how English language will be easier than you usually had. Okay, so that is what I wanted to talk about in this video. And believe me guys, यदि आप इस टेक्निक का उपयोग करोगे ना, इंग्लिश कहीं भी नहीं जाने वाली है. आप बहुत ही अच्छे से लर्न करोगे. ये कई तरीके से आपकी मदद करेगा. इंग्लिश सोचने में भी मदद करेगा. You will be able to start thinking in English language because you are just being familiarized. You are just making yourself familiar with this, with new sentences and structures, because आप बोल रहे हो, वो चीज़ों को प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो डेली. तो एक ये हुआ इसका फायदा, एंड दूसरा फायदा, यू विल लर्न न्यू वोकेबलरीज, वोकैब्स एंड फ्रेजेस. बिकॉज सॉन्ग जब हम सुनते हैं ना, उसमें बहुत सारे फ्रेजेस आते हैं. ओके, तो वो भी लर्न करोगे. एंड तीसरा फायदा ये है कि आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो by yourself. You are practicing, and that is a kind of self talk that you are doing Okay, so that is also very very helpful. So there are multiple benefits if you are applying this simple hack, and that will transform everything. Just do this exercise, this simple exercise for few minutes. For few minutes you have to do this exercise and see the results. The results will be insane, and you will be getting amazing results after applying this simple hack. Okay, I will be uploading these kinds of relevant videos for you guys. Have a good day. We will meet in another very specific video. Bye bye.